Hey everybody, I'm gonna show y'all a piece of my grocery haul. I put some of the stuff up, so just in case y'all looking for some of these items. We got a green pepper. We'll be putting them up as I'm talking. This is from Sam's Club and Kroger. Butter. This 4-pack for my bacon. Cause butter done got expensive too. Let me show y'all these little ones that I got. Was they this week? I think they on sale till until Tuesday. And Land O'Lake is a good brand. But I want to say these new butters for Land O'Lake. Put this one back in the freezer. So they have a canola oil. They're 8 ounces. And they 99 cents this week. When you buy 5, save 5. They have olive oil. And sea salt. This is honey butter. And they had garlic and herb. So I said I was going to try these out. One thing, the tubs are not fully full. So, but it's something good to try out. They had cheese for $2.99. And I stock up when they a good price and just freeze them. Ketchup. They had a 3-pack at Sam's Club. 2-pack of Miracle Whip. Buttermilk. Sour cream. Got some graham crackers because I like to make my graham cracker crust from scratch, or I eat them for a snack. It's a good time when it's not like New Year's or when it's in demand. I got some black eyed peas. If you one of the ones that don't grow your broccoli, it's $1.99 a pound. So I'm going to blanch these and freeze them. But this is good. Sorry if you hear my refrigerator. I think that's my refrigerator. Sam's Club, it was 3 packs of bacon for $11.82, something like that. This right here is 10 pounds of ground beef, 5 pounds each. But yeah, I'll separate this into pounds and freeze it. I got some bananas, I know. Catfish. Shrimp. We're gonna eat this tonight in a stir fry. Just something quick and easy. Some sausage biscuits. But my main thing is that I wanted to stock up on was my hamburger and my bacon at the lowest cost possible. And then I went and did everything else after that. So, oh, let me get this. I want to show y'all this. So, as we need to grow more, I wanted to up my process. So I sucked it up and I got these from Bootstrap Farmer. So these are because I'm gonna have to up pot my plants, and these seem like they good with drainage, and it's a nice size where I won't have to up pot them again, hopefully. But they sturdy, and it's something that I ain't got to keep on buying. And I got this tray, and that's Bootstraps Farmer. Let me show you my first round of starter plants. So this is my first round of starter plants. I have some tomatoes, and for the first time since I've been gardening, I labeled them. So I have some Caesar tomatoes, some Sun Golds, some San Marzanos, some Italian beefsteaks, Italian peppers, King of Bitters, another beefsteak, I think 2 or 3 different paprika peppers, Thai pepper, a moringa, bull's nose bell pepper, Ozark bell pepper, California bell, a mulatto pepper. That's another paprika. And I got 3 broccoli. And I got some jalapenos. So, you know, I still have to do like my cucumbers, my hibiscus, my squash, all my squash. There's a couple of other, like the mortgage lifter I haven't started, but that was prolific last season. But this is my first tray, and they doing good. But now I have the proper, well, not the proper, but something that I think that'll work for the starts. But yeah, y'all have a blessed one. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in these YouTube streets. Goodbye.